You open TikTok and your account is gone. No warning, no option, just permanently banned. And now you are thinking, is there any way to get it back? Well, yes, but only if you do it the right way. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you how to recover permanently banned TikTok account using only two methods that actually work and everything else you need to know to improve your chances. I have seen both the sides, people who got their accounts back and people who lost them forever. So let's do this properly, but before jumping into any recovery method, you need to pause for a second, because the biggest mistake people make is rushing. TikTok doesn't randomly ban accounts most of the time. There is usually a reason. So check your email account, TikTok notification or the login screen message. You will likely see something like community guideline violations, spam activity or suspicious behavior. Now here is why this matters. Whatever reason TikTok gives you, your recovery attempt has to align with it. Otherwise your request just looks generic and gets ignored. And once you understand that, the next step becomes much clearer. You just need to reach TikTok the right way. First, we will appeal through the app. Now, if you are still have access to your account, this is your best option. Just open TikTok and try logging in. You will see here an appeal option. Tap on it. Now stop here for a second, because this part decides everything. Think of it like you are talking to a real person reviewing your case. Keep it simple, calm and human. Like, hello TikTok team, I believe my account may have been banned by mistake. I always try to follow the guidelines and would really appreciate a review. And that is it. No long paragraphs, no blaming, no demands. Now if you can't log in, don't worry, there is another way. Use TikTok feedback form. If your account is completely inaccessible, you will need to go through TikTok's feedback form. Same goal, just a different route. Fill in your username, email, issue description, and again, your tone should stay consistent. Don't suddenly become too formal or robotic. Write like a real person, like, hi TikTok team, my account was recently permanently banned and I am not sure why. I have always tried to follow the rules. Could you please review it again? Did you notice something? This connects directly with method 1. Same tone, same intent. Because at the end, both methods are just ways to reach TikTok's review team. Now the question that pops up in the mind is, what happens after you apply? Once you have submitted your appeal, this is where patience comes in. TikTok usually takes few days to respond, and this is exactly where people panic. They start sending multiple appeals again and again. Do not do that, because instead of helping, it actually lower your chances. One clear, well-written appeal is always better than 10 rushed ones. So once you have applied using one of these methods, give it time to work. So now you know, it's not about tricks. It comes down to two things: using the right method and writing the right appeal. If this video helped you, then please subscribe our channel, like our video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of the updates. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.